Axie endlessness cost estimates for the years 2023, 2025, 2030. We here in a real sense will sort of give you the 10 years point-by-point cost expectations for Axie boundlessness, Axes, which is genuinely critical. The Axie vastness explicitly has rapidly fundamentally acquired kind of extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers basically are interested, and looking through the inquiries like is Axie limitlessness, Axes, a wise venture? Is Axes certainly worth purchasing in 2023? Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. What will in a real sense be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025 and 2030? How high could Axie boundlessness at any point go? Our aid will for the most part provide you with a thought of the Axie endlessness expected development and its cost expectation, all from certainly profound specialized examination to principal past cost graphs, which basically is very critical. Axie limitlessness past value examination in a kind of huge manner. As per barely the most recent market information, today the cost of Axie boundlessness, Axes, for the most part is $7.22. And Axes really is right now especially position number 52 in the whole crypto market. The flow supply of Axes sort of is 113,918,073, with a market cap of $821,965,857 in most recent 24 hours. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Axie limitlessness's cost has shown a generally excellent increment of 1.36% as of now, or so they basically thought. Axie boundlessness is as yet confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins on the lookout. The Axes is down to nearly 18.86% over the most recent 7 days, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. The coin by and large is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could basically major areas of strength for inside the most recent 30 days. The cost of Axes generally has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, disposing of an astounding typical cost of $3.25 from its really current cost in an exceptionally large manner. This unexpected fundamentally descending development certainly implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, and it can generally be a decent essentially purchase a potential open door for speedy interest in a sort of large manner. The 90 days cost change is near 6.57%, and the cost circled from a base typical worth of $7.31 to sort of greatest certainly normal worth of $7.82 in the especially beyond 90 days, which most certainly is very critical. In most recent 4 months Axie limitlessness has shown a developing pattern amazingly. In this way, we for the most part believe that comparable pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period. As per the especially the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Axie limitlessness in a real sense is expanded from 4 months, which especially is genuinely huge. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its value, which is genuinely critical. The coin explicitly is up by 9.92%, with the greatest pretty typical cost of the coin basically was around $11.67, and the base really normal cost of for the most part was around $6.21 in by and large beyond 4 months. Axie boundlessness value conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We anticipate future Axes cost expectations Axie endlessness estimates by applying profound certainly counterfeit learning specialized investigation on the authentic value information of Axie vastness. We certainly give our all to sort of gather truly most extreme verifiable information for the Axes coin, which especially incorporate different variables like sort of past value, market cap, volume, and in every way that really matters, more in an unpretentious way. Assuming that you by and large are hoping to put resources into digital money market, make a point to peruse our forecasts in fact. Axie vastness value expectation for 2023 as per our gauge, in 2023. The cost of Axie boundlessness is supposed to in a real sense reach at least value level of $6.93. Which generally is genuinely huge. The Axes cost can generally arrive at a very greatest worth of $7.79, with the by and large normal exchanging cost of $7.58, or so they for the most part thought. Axie vastness value expectation for 2024, according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2024. The cost of Axie boundlessness generally is somewhat anticipated to generally reach at any rate worth of $10.60, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. The Axie's cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $12.83, with the typical exchanging cost of $10.90. Axie Boundlessness Value Figure 2025-2026. The cost of Axie endlessness is by and large anticipated to truly reach at an essentially least degree of $15.76 in 2025 in a significant manner. The Axie vastness cost can really arrive at an exceptionally most extreme degree of $18.36, with the typical cost of $16.31 all through 2025. The cost of Axie boundlessness is explicitly anticipated to sort of reach at any rate level of $22.88 in 2026 in an unpretentious manner. The Axie endlessness cost can generally arrive at a most extreme degree of $27.71, with the typical cost of $23.69 all through 2026, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie's value expectation for 2027. Axie endlessness cost essentially is figure 2 by and large arrive at a most minimal degree of $34.15 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Axie's cost could arrive at an especially greatest degree of $40.30, with the typical conjecture cost of $35.10, or so they generally thought. Axie's value expectation for 2028. As per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of Axes, in 2028, the cost of Axie vastness especially is gauged to truly be at around a base worth of $50.24, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Axie boundlessness value worth can arrive at an exceptionally limit of $59.66, with the typical exchanging worth of $52 in United States dollars. Axie boundlessness value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Axie limitlessness, Axes, basically is supposed to generally reach at any rate level of $74.20 in 2029, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Axie's cost can essentially arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 87.59, with the in every way that really matters, normal cost of $76.28 all through 2029. Axie endlessness value expectation gauge for 2030 according to the conjecture, and in every practical sense, profound specialized examination, in 2030. The cost of Axie boundlessness is supposed to sort of reach at any rate value worth of $103.84 in an unpretentious manner. The Axie's cost can arrive at a genuinely greatest value worth of $126.50, with the typical worth of $107.66. Axie endlessness, Axes, value expectation for 2031. The cost of Axie limitlessness is supposed to reach at a kind of least worth of $151.05 in 2031 in a very significant manner. The Axie vastness cost could